Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNNLive. We're at the AdvaMed, the MedTech Conference 2012 in Boston, Massachusetts. I am with Doug Lantigua of MUSA, a private company. Doug, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you very much for having me.
It's good to have you. So let's get right into it. Tell me about MUSA.
MUSA is a privately held company located in Cambridge, Massachusetts. We do several lines of business, one of which is FDA compliant hosting. And also we help out in the labs for biotechs and pharmaceuticals, assisting the scientists in their day-to-day efforts doing regulatory IT.
What's your background?
Mine is mostly technology. I grew up as an IT geek and had an opportunity to found my own consultancy. Got into the industry where FDA was the king, and actually really enjoyed the compliance and working within the rule set, and enjoyed working with the scientists and what they do on a day-to-day basis.
Do you have a legal background?
No, I do not have a legal background.
That may help in what you do.
I have plenty of people who help me in that aspect of the job. Thank you.
So what was the attraction that took you from academia into compliance?
Well, it was more so working with the scientists and seeing the patients that they worked with in this industry, and actually seeing the impact that the scientists and their research had on their day-to-day lives. That was really a good driver to use my skills to help them on a day-to-day basis, and it allows me to recruit better, higher quality people to help the scientists when they get a chance to see what happens with the patients.
That's really quite humanistic, so to speak, because you're really about seeing new products come into the market, new pharma come into the market, new ways of delivering cures and treatments for patients. That's filled with integrity, my friend.
It's exciting to be part of the solution. We are behind the scenes. We're never in the forefront. But it feels good when you go home at night knowing that you help things along to help people's lives.
And you know, you're running into a situation where you have a lot of companies where it may be run by a scientist, quite frankly, and compliance, they're not really well trained in that, and they usually go out and find the consultant, and there's a lot of consultants to choose from. What makes you so much different from the other potential, hires for them out there?
Well, it's all about the integrity of the trust relationship that you have with them. When they work with us, they realize we are on their side to do what's right for them. We're not looking at them as another client. We're looking at them on their mission, at their level. And when you're working so closely with them, you can't hide your compassion for what they're trying to do. And that's what really works for us.
You know what? I'm just so happy to meet you. I love it. What is your website? www.musatechnology.com and also www.validatedcloud.com. That's our hosting. What does MUSA stand for, M-U-S-A?
I got to tell you, banana.
Ladies and gentlemen, it stands for banana. We are at AdvaMed, the MedTech Conference 2012 in Boston. Doug Lantigua, who's named after his company after a banana. I can't help that. But this is a man, if you're out in the market looking for what Doug does, please give him a call. So thanks for coming on to SNN.
Thank you again for having me.
You're welcome.